Every day, our bodies are engaged in a silent battle. A battle against invaders, infections, and even rogue cells that can turn into cancer. At the forefront of this fight are the T cells, our body's vigilant warriors. T cells are a subtype of lymphocytes, a type of white blood cell. They originate from the bone marrow and mature in the thymus, which is where they get their name. But what sets T cell apart is their ability to recognize and respond to a vast array of pathogens and abnormal cells, including cancer. Cancer cells arise when normal cells acquire genetic mutations that allow them to grow uncontrollably. Unlike foreign invaders, like bacteria or viruses, cancer cells are derived from our own tissues, making them particularly challenging to detect. This is where T cells' unique capabilities come into play. T cells identify threats by recognizing specific proteins on the surface of cells called antigens. Each T cell has a unique receptor on its surface, known as the T cell receptor or TCR. This receptor is highly specific and can bind to antigens presented on the surface of the cells. In the case of cancer, these antigens often arise from mutated proteins that differ from the normal versions. When a T cell's receptor matches an antigen on a cancer cell, it becomes activated. Activation triggers a series of responses. Cytotoxic T cells, also known as CD8 T cells, directly attack cancer cells. They release perforin and granzymes, proteins that can create pores in the cancer cell's membrane and initiate apoptosis, or programmed cell death. This process ensures that the cancer cell is efficiently and specifically destroyed without harming neighboring healthy cells. But the story doesn't end there. T cells also include a subset known as helper T cells or CD4 T cells. These cells don't directly kill cancer cells but play a crucial role in orchestrating the immune response. Upon activation, helper T cells release cytokinins, signaling molecules that stimulate other immune cells, including B cells, which produce antibodies, and macrophages, which engulf and digest cellular debris and pathogens. The immune system's battle against cancer is intricate, as cancer cells can adapt to evade immune responses by creating a suppressive tumor microenvironment. To counter this, researchers have developed immunotherapies like checkpoint inhibitors, which block cancer's ability to deactivate the T cells. By releasing the brakes on the immune system, these therapies empower T cells to effectively target and destroy cancer cells, showcasing their crucial role in the future of cancer treatment. After the fight, memory T cells remain in the body, serving as a vigilant defense against cancer recurrence. If the same or similar cancer cells reappear, these cells can quickly recognize and eliminate them, preventing the cancer from re-establishing itself. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of T cells and their critical role in the fight against cancer. Stay informed, stay hopeful, and remember, together can unlock the potential of our immune system.